Join me as I dive into the crazy challenge of figuring out if Mars could really be our next home. Humanity has long been fascinated by the idea of exploring and settling other planets, and Mars is often considered the most promising candidate. With its rocky terrain and barren landscape, it may not seem like the most hospitable place, but as we'll explore in this video, it may just hold the key to our species' future survival. The reality is, our planet is facing some serious challenges. Overpopulation is putting a strain on our resources, and climate change is threatening the very foundation of our existence. Rising sea levels, devastating natural disasters, and unpredictable weather patterns are all taking a toll on our daily lives. It's clear that we need to think about finding a new home, and Mars is increasingly looking like our best bet. As we struggle to come to terms with the scale of these problems, it's hard not to wonder if we're running out of time. The clock is ticking, and we need to act fast if we want to ensure the survival of our species. The good news is that scientists and engineers are already working on solutions, from sustainable energy sources to advanced recycling technologies. But despite these efforts, the truth is, we may need to think even bigger. One of the most pressing issues we face is our rapidly growing population. With the global population set to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, it's clear that our planet is struggling to cope. Food and water shortages, pollution, and habitat destruction are just a few of the consequences of our expanding numbers. And with climate change exacerbating these problems, it's hard to see a way out. But what if we didn't have to rely on Earth to support us? What if we could create a new home, one that's tailored to our needs, and provides a fresh start? That's exactly what Mars could offer. With its proximity to Earth, and its potential for terraforming, it's an opportunity that's too good to pass up. NASA's Curiosity rover has been exploring Mars since 2012, and its findings have been nothing short of astonishing. From discovering evidence of ancient lakes and rivers, to revealing the planet's geological history, the rover has given us a unique insight into Mars' past. And with the European Space Agency's ExoMars rover set to launch in 2022, we'll soon have even more data to work with. But it's not just rovers that are paving the way for human exploration. Orbital missions like NASA's Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution mission, or MAVEN, have been studying the planet's atmosphere since 2013. And with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin leading the charge, the future of Mars exploration is looking brighter than ever. So, what makes Mars such a compelling candidate for human colonization? For one, its proximity to Earth makes it an ideal location for transportation and communication. We could easily send supplies and personnel to and from the planet, and even maintain regular contact with Earth-based teams. And with its rocky terrain, Mars offers a unique opportunity for resource extraction, from iron and nickel, to carbonates and silicates. But Mars also offers a unique scientific opportunity. By establishing a human settlement on the planet, we could gain unparalleled insights into the Martian environment, and even unlock the secrets of the universe. Imagine being able to study the planet's geology, atmosphere, and potential biosphere up close, without the need for expensive and time-consuming sample return missions. Of course, there are still many challenges to overcome, from the harsh Martian environment to the psychological effects of long-term space travel. But with ongoing research and development, it's clear that we're getting closer to making human settlement a reality. So, is Mars the next home for humans? While there are still many hurdles to overcome, the evidence suggests that it could be a very real possibility. And as we continue to explore and push the boundaries of what's thought possible, it's exciting to think about the potential that this new frontier holds. What do you think? Could Mars really be our next home? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on space exploration.